In this video, I want to show you how to put your HP DeskJet 2855E into Wi-Fi setup mode. So you're gonna go over here on the control panel, make sure it's turned on, make sure that you have something going on the display. If the display is blank, just press any buttons to wake it up. You know that you are in Wi-Fi setup mode if the Wi-Fi button light is blinking blue, the way it is over here. If on your printer it's not blinking blue, all you have to do is to take two fingers, you're going to press the Wi-Fi button at the same time as this X button. But before doing this, make sure you have at least one sheet of paper. I think two, you need two sheets of paper, because the printer will actually print a page after Wi-Fi button and X button. 1, 2, release. After you do this, the power button will blink and the Wi-Fi button will also blink blue. You may, again, as I said, see your printer printing two pages. Usually it's simply to tell you that it's in Wi-Fi setup mode, nothing important. In my case, it doesn't do it because I didn't pair the printer already with another with a Wi-Fi network. So this is why nothing came out. But in your case, you may see the printer printing a page.